Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product in exchange for an honest review, and it's exactly what I'm going to do. Watch this. Here, pups. Look at this. Sunny, come here, girl. Look what I got. Look what I got, girl. Come here. Want to brush? Brushy, brushy. Come on up. Come on up. This is a new cat and dog brush, and it's really clever. You can see she's just waiting for me to brush her. You ready? Okay, here we go. This is my dog, Sunny. She loves this thing. She is a shelter special. She's about 8 years old, and she just absolutely loves this new brush. What it does is it has little spines on it that are all plastic coated, so they kind of pull the hair, and you can see the stripes. They just really are very comfortable for her. And the whole idea is that it pulls out all that dead hair, and it pulls out all the loose hair. She wants me to do her neck right now. And it just is a very comfortable, super comfortable brush for her. She loves to have the neck and the chest. When the other side, oh, there we go. There we can get the neck. Now, the cool thing about this is that after you've brushed your dog or cat for a while, the girl, there's a little bit of fur here. Now, she's got her winter coat right now, so not a whole lot comes off her. But you can just press the button on the back. You can see, press it up, and you can pull all that hair right off the brush. And there we go. Now it's back to being a regular brush. So this is a really clever dog and cat brush. I have used it on my cats as well, and they also enjoy it. You just keep brushing back and brush in the direction of their fur, and it will slowly go ahead and collect a bunch of fur on here, and then you just press the button, and it lifts it all right off. So it's not like regular brushes where you get all that fur stuck in there. Just press it, lifts it right off, and you're back to brushing. And you can see it's got a lot of little spines. They're all plastic coated here. That doesn't hurt the animal at all. It's actually a very comfortable brush. A couple other things I really like about this brush. The handle itself is rubberized, so it's non-slip. It doesn't come out of your hand. It's really easy. It's big, too. It's not a small little wooden handle. It's a nice big handle. It's just very comfortable to use. The end actually has a little nail or hole on it, so you can go ahead and hang it on a hook or a nail. We actually have in our cabinet for our dog toys, we have a little hook there. We just kind of put it in there. That's real nice. It does come in different colors as well. This happens to be the blue one, or the light blue one. But there's a whole host of colors this comes with. Both of our cats actually like being brushed to different degrees, but they actually really enjoy this. And our dog also will she actually loves it as well. This is a very calming brush as well. It is not a sharp brush at all. It's not sharp on the hands, so that's really nice. The spines are wide enough that it's not going to get stuck or pulled. Both my cats and my dog really enjoy this brush. All of them like to be brushed by this. When I pull it out, they're actually usually come walking over to me, and I can brush them. The nice fact is that you can push it and get all the hair off, and you kind of collect that hair, throw it away, whatever you want to do with it. That's up to you. It's actually just a real bonus. It's a comfortable brush to use. It's great for the animals, and I highly recommend it.